Ubuntu versus Debian. Choosing the right Linux distribution can completely change how you experience performance and usability without the frustration of complex setups. Let's briefly explore both options to see which suits your needs. Ubuntu and Debian are two popular Linux distributions. The core difference lies in their target audience and approach. Ubuntu is user-friendly and designed for newcomers, while Debian focuses on stability and is preferred by experienced users. Ubuntu is a Linux distribution based on Debian, known for its ease of use and vibrant community support. It features a polished interface, making it ideal for beginners and casual users. Ubuntu operates on a regular release cycle, providing users with the latest software and updates every 6 months. Its strengths include a vast repository of applications, excellent hardware compatibility, and strong community support. However, some users may find it less stable than Debian due to its frequent updates. Ideal for users who prioritize ease of use and a seamless experience, Ubuntu is perfect for those new to Linux or those who prefer a straightforward setup. Debian is a highly versatile and stable Linux distribution that forms the backbone of many other systems, including Ubuntu. It is known for its rigorous testing and commitment to free software principles. Debian offers a more hands-on experience, allowing users to customize their systems extensively. Its strengths lie in its stability, security, and extensive package management system. However, it may require more technical knowledge to install and maintain compared to Ubuntu. Debian is ideal for experienced users who seek a robust and reliable environment, especially for servers or development purposes. Its slower release cycle ensures that users work with thoroughly tested software. When comparing Ubuntu and Debian, consider your specific needs. If you prioritize user-friendliness and access to the latest software, Ubuntu is the better choice. Its graphical interface and community support make it accessible for newcomers. On the other hand, if stability and control are your main concerns, Debian shines. It's particularly advantageous for server environments where uptime and reliability are critical. For instance, a user setting up a home desktop might prefer Ubuntu for its ease, while a developer managing a production server would benefit more from Debian's robust stability. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you value ease of use or system control. For users seeking a straightforward and user-friendly experience, Ubuntu is highly recommended. For those who prioritize stability and control, Debian is the ideal choice. Both distributions have their strengths, so choose based on your needs. Embrace the power of Linux and enjoy your journey.